So the first thing you want to do is actually register for a committee meeting. And here you can navigate through the different options. Right now, we are looking for a committee meeting that I think will probably be listed under live. All right, so here, the meeting we're using today is just a test meeting, but you will get the idea. So first you have to log in to register. So I'm going to click log in to register. I'm going to type my username and password and sign in. So now the register button is green instead of yellow, so I'm going to hit register and then register myself and then proceed to checkout and submit order. And here you get a confirmation. And so maybe I'm doing this a few days ahead of the program, maybe I'm doing it the day of, but either way, and now the program will appear in the area called My Dashboard. And so now, I believe it's 15 minutes ahead of the time that a meeting is supposed to start, you'll be able to log in. Now I will see the meeting in my dashboard, and there will be the option that says early login is open. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll receive the prompt that says your early login for this live event is now open. I'm going to hit early login is open with the little play button sign. And then open Zoom meetings. If you don't have Zoom downloaded already, which I think at this point in the year 2020, I think most people do, but if not, you're gonna have to go through Zoom and actually download the program, the software onto your computer, but otherwise you can just hit open Zoom meetings. And slowly but surely, it will start to open. And now you can see the program. The default, we're using Zoom Webinar, so the default will be so that your camera is not live. I'm gonna mute this because I'm getting a little bit of feedback. But so you'll be able to see the materials that the presenter is using. You'll be able to see the presenter. You can chat or use the Q&A function. Chat will automatically go to, chat is disabled, but you can use the Q&A function to ask questions. Just type your question there and the presenter will deal with it, or you can just raise your hand. I recommend using the Q&A versus the raise hand feature because if it's easy when you're presenting to kind of not notice the raised hand. The Q&A is a little bit more noticeable. But yeah, then when you are finished, you will hit leave meeting, or it will end automatically. And I'm gonna X out of this window, and now I'll have the option to fill out a survey. You can fill out the evaluation for the program. This isn't required, but you can also save it for later. For now, I'm just gonna X out of this. And the next thing that you wanna do is acknowledge your attendance. So you click read terms, and then certify that you viewed the entire program. And so for committee meetings, you wouldn't actually be able to do this next step just yet because we have to assess the MCLE based on the actual time of the meeting after the fact. But for the purposes of this demonstration today, I'm going to show you anyways how to actually claim the credits. So once you've acknowledged your attendance, this MCLE certificate option opens up, and you just want to hit claim/view credits. You choose your state and your bar number and hit submit, and then you have the option to view or print your certificate. And there it is. And you can print this page for your own records, and it should be filled out correctly. And that's it.